You and them, your thoughts and their thoughts, your feelings, their feelings, your energy, their energy. That's what we will check in today's love reading. Hello and welcome to my channel. And thank you so much to my first 100 subscribers. I do post daily guidance videos every day in Hindi and English. So if you like this reading, feel free to subscribe to my channel and check the videos that have already been posted. Reunion, hope, space, mend. So I'll be doing two sides. One will be your side and one your person's side. Escape, runner, reciprocity, and inseparable. Okay, those are quite telling cards that you got. Okay, so the way I can tell this is that this is your side and this is your person's side. So for you, okay, so there is a good possibility that at this moment you are in separation. You are hoping for a reunion with your person, but right now in the space that you have, in the separation phase, you are thinking more about what needs to be done to move further in the relationship, and you want to fix your connection. Whatever the problem was, you want to fix it, and you are hopeful that things will work out with your person. And on your person's side, they could be a runner, and this card says that I left when things got hard. I am getting the feeling that this could very well be a twin flame connection. Most of the twin flame connections have a runner chaser dynamic, and your person got overwhelmed with the feelings that they felt for you, and they couldn't accept it, and that's why they ran away from you. That could be the reason of your separation. But they are tired of running. Maybe this was a habit of theirs, a pattern that kept repeating, but they are tired of running. They don't want to run anymore. They want to give you as much as you gave them, have an equal give and take. They have kind of understood that they need to do that. And the inseparable card, so our love is always there despite the distance. So the distance could mean emotional distance because they were not able to reciprocate your feelings, or it could also be physical distance. You could be in a long distance relationship, but they also feel that the love will always be there whether there's distance or not, whether you are separate or together. The love that you both have for each other will not go away, and that's what you feel. You want to mend the connection. I left when things got hard, so that's a typical twin flame masculine energy. I have a very strong feeling this could be a twin flame connection. Let's see what the other deck says. It seems like you are in separation but still thinking about each other. getting to know each other, make the effort, let go of control issues, trust. Yes, I get it now. Passion, calling in your soulmate, playfulness, past life relationship. Very nice cards on both sides. So, getting to know each other, you need to reveal your innermost feelings to the person, and your bond with them will deepen when you do that. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So, listen to your intuition, listen to what it's guiding you towards, and make the effort in the relationship and let go of control issues. This is again a very uh, divine feminine thing that happens in a twin flame connection. You want to have control of the situation, you want to always know what's going to happen and what you should do next, but you have to let that go, leave it on the universe, trust the universe that everything will unfold in divine timing. If this is a true twin flame connection, then you have to trust the divine timing. There's no other way around it, otherwise you will just keep on repeating the cycles that we saw earlier. The same phases will keep on repeating. Trust, the situation is calling for you to have faith. So, whether it's this situation, the separation phase that you are in, trust that something good will come out of it, and don't chase your person. So, don't try to control the situation, but if they have gone silent on you, then don't try to bring up too many conversations or just keep on texting them or calling them. Let them be, give them that space. And over here, you have two cards. One is the soulmate card and past life relationship. So, your person will realize in due time that you two are meant for each other. They do know that you belong together at this point, but they will get more realizations in their alone time when they get proper time to clarify everything in their mind. There is lots of passion in the relationship and lots of playfulness, which, you know, brings out your inner child. And there's so much joy when you can be playful with each other in any romantic relationship, when you can be your authentic self, when you can just have lots of fun together like children. There's the connection deepens so much. You trust each other more and more. And this is a past life relationship. So either this is a very deep soulmate connection or it's a twin flame connection. So it seems like you both need some time apart. This is again divine timing at work, your separation, and because you both need to grow in some areas of your life. You need to let go of the control issues and make kind of more effort in the relationship. I don't know what that means exactly for you because this is a collective reading. You have to figure that out yourself. Next, we will see what the love angels have to say. So these cards jumped out for you. Overthinking. Pay attention to signs. Be honest. Actions speak louder than words. And for your person, we have make the effort, leave your fears behind, pay attention to red flags, open yourself to love. That's the nice story that we have over here. You got the make the effort card in the previous deck, and they got it in this deck. So you both need to make some effort in your relationship towards each other. You have to stop overthinking. Maybe you are just creating scenarios in your head that are not actually there with your overthinking. So you need to stop that. Pay attention to signs. You might be seeing signs, maybe you might be seeing some particular angel numbers, or maybe you are seeing butterflies, dragonfly. So whenever you see something like that, just check up the meaning. Our spirit guides are always showing us signs if we pay attention. Be honest. Don't worry about what your person will think if you tell them your honest feelings, your feelings that you have for them. So the universe is asking you to have a heart-to-heart conversation with your person whenever you talk again. And actions speak louder than words. If you want to know what someone is feeling, watch what they are doing. So pay attention to your person, the way maybe they are not saying things, maybe they are not expressing their feelings, but they might be doing things for you that show that they actually care for you. So pay attention to that. So on your person side, they need to make an effort to maybe come back towards you and leave behind their fears. They are stopping this relationship from blossoming. It's because of their fear. Like I said when we pulled the first cards, that when the masculine becomes overwhelmed with feelings, they fear that maybe you will not reciprocate in the same way, and that's why they run away from the connection. So the universe is asking for them to let go of their fears. And once you let that go, your relationship will blossom more. Open yourself to love. So they need to let go of the fears and tell you how they actually feel about you. Right now, they are a bit scared. And pay attention to red flags. It could be that their previous relationship was not a good one, and the person made them feel inadequate or unworthy of love, and that's what they are holding on to. That's why they are fearful that if they tell you what they actually feel, you might reject them. So they have the because of their unhealthy connection in the past, they are not able to trust easily right now. So give them the time to heal and understand you. You can tell them your feelings whenever you talk, and then they will know that you actually care for them and love them. So you both need to make some effort in the relationship, but basically all the cards that came out are very good. Just trust in the divine, trust the universe, and pay attention to the signs and synchronicities that you might see around you. Things will work out. Just give it some time. So that was your reading for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.